We've had a number of programming days this summer. We started with a cleanup back in June. Then we also had Nature Day, which was primarily hosted by our partners at the Park Authority. In July, we hosted Arts Day, where we did mural chalking with community art for everyone. And then in August, we had Fitness and Fun Day with the Park Authority, where we had tons of people out here playing games, running around. And then we are closing our season today, October 5th, with Community Day in conjunction with the Taste of Annandale.
This is the 5th annual Taste of Annandale. It's not just food. We've got across the street with the Child Development Center and our new pop-up park, we have children's activities, and we've got community booths.
Well, I'm very happy right now. It's just the best feeling ever because you're giving back to the community, and I wouldn't be able to do it if I sit at my desk. We have a number of services that we offer, and most patrons are not aware of them. So we're doing conversations, we are giving out books, we are also talking about different services. We have a lot of digital books now. So if people have questions, we're answering those questions, and we are giving out library cards. So the best way to reach out to people is actually go to the people. And that's what we're trying to achieve over here. I think it's very important to come out to events like this because you get to meet people and you get to know about activities that you may not be aware of. And I think it's a good idea to come out in the open and meet people and enjoy this good weather.
Well, we have gotten really positive feedback. It was really exciting to see every single event grew in attendance from June all the way to today. People have just told us they're really appreciative of the fact that they have a space to come together, and they've had a lot of fun bringing their kids and their families, and they've just really enjoyed it and are already giving me suggestions for next year.